So, did I make a command? I'm not sure if I made a command. No, that's not, oh my god, I can't even spell the name of my own game. Here we go. There we go. Okay, it's a simple page at the moment. I'm going to get it done up, but right now, it's a soft release, okay? It's a soft release right now until I can get the graphics done for the page. Suraj is working on probably a last touch up to one of the assets. And then I'll probably get him to do up the page, and I'm gonna have to do some writing so I can the page looks good and all that. But I'm probably gonna work on some gameplay improvements for this stream. Hopefully I can actually finish those improvements. I'm probably gonna work on some gameplay improvements for this stream. Hopefully I can actually finish those improvements. It's not going to be a huge thing. I'm just going to fix up how the emergency services respond to the calls, because right now, if say for example I call one out here, but there's something here they can deal with, they'll deal with this, but they'll never go here. So it's kind of lame, right? I don't mind them dealing with this, but they kind of need to check up on what's going on here eventually.
I like the animations. Feels real good to watch.
Nice. But yeah, go play it. It is free to test out. It is a play test. Please do not judge it too harshly.
Welcome.
Is it doing this? Is your Jabber Alert icon doing this?
No, I didn't see that.
Yeah, it needs to flash. If it's not flashing and it's dimmed, there are no calls. And if you click on it when it's dimmed like that, it will actually say there are no calls to view at the moment because no one's called for help yet. Like, it will tell you what's going on, right? It should do that. But if you're clicking on it at any stage and it's not opening, and if it's flashing and you're clicking on it, if you're clicking on it, it should open up with this window. Do you see this? And you can only like wrap up like one call, and that's whatever call you're looking at you can wrap up. So pressing wrap up a lot, or pressing next or previous a lot to get to like the end of the queue or whatever, that can be a little tedious, I feel, but it's a start, right? I mean, the whole thing's a start. I mean, there's ways that you can, as a player, manage that. You can simply wrap up your calls and not build it up. That's one thing. In fact, that's probably the only thing you can do, to be honest. There's not much other functionality. Alrighty, so today we're doing map making in Fortnite, except on a coding scale. So I'm not really map making in the map. I'm just going to be doing like I'm going to be doing coding in Verse, a language I'm not really that familiar with until recently, and we're learning how to do some things in there. I'm gonna create some features. I've got a little sandbox here with all these different things going on. So we're just learning how to store player data and have that between games, and long term on the island. So it's a bit of work, actually, particularly on the coding side of things.